So the definition of the function was every element of set A will associate to unique element of set B, then we called it function. So whenever we define the inverse ignorancy function, we have to take care of the function also. So it is possible only when if we take the function 1 and onto 1 and onto function, then we have possible inverse trigonometric function. तो 1 onto function में we have done so many questions in exercise 1.2 for 1 around to function में, ठीक है, if a function a b, there we are taking suppose three element a b c, here we have element p q r, if p is associated to p, a is associated to r, c associated to q, this is a function of 1 and onto, then we can define, ठीक है, if f a equal to r, f b equal to p, and f c equal to q. What will be the inverse function? Inverse function will be the reverse process. ठीक है, it is also a function. So inverse function में f inverse r equal to, it will be equal to a, f inverse q equal to c, f inverse p equal to b. This is the inverse function. If we take it, the function will not be 1 1. 1 1 का मतलब है if two different elements have the same image, then the inverse will be not possible. Suppose if we take here a b c, or we have taken element p q, a or b both have the same image. So when we will define the inverse of p, so inverse of p will be a also, of inverse of p will be p also. So both inverse of p, a or b both are possible, but in the definition of function we should have the unique image, but it will not be the unique. So the function cannot be a, then the inverse function cannot be defined if it is a many one function. If it is not onto, onto का मतलब है कि b is not associated to any element, ठीक है, so onto will be some element, it is not associated to every element. The definition is from every element of set this one should be associated to unique element of set this one. If this element is left, okay, this element is left, then the inverse will not be the function, it will not be a function, so it will not be an inverse function also. So first of all, we just take care whenever we have the 1 and onto function, only then we can define the inverse function. Now we are taking, now we are talking, now we are discussing the inverse trigonometric function. So inverse trigonometric function, we will be discussing only the trigonometric function, or we want to find inverse also. So just you see here, in case of sine, ठीक है, in sine you have observed that we know the value of sine 0, है ना, we know the value of sine 0 and sine 90, sine 45, sine. So after completing the circle पूरा complete होने के बाद, ठीक है, और if we don't complete the circle also, after 90 degree the values get to repeated again, है ना. If you see the graph of sine function, we start from sine 0 is equal to 0, we reach at sine 90 equal to 1. After that we get all values. After that it is start to decreasing. यानी कि same values we are getting. whatever we have the value of sine 0, same value we have the sine 180 degree. Whatever we have the value of sine 45 degree, the same value we have the sine 135 degree. So it is not a one function, okay? Because different elements are not getting the different value. So first of all, we have to restrict ourselves. ठीक है? We want to restrict ourselves 0 to 90 degree. Then you will observe that the values will not repeat. If we stop ourselves, ठीक है? But you observe that we have the negative value also. I know negative value means we have some values we get in negative term also, because sine 0, it's okay. We can come here also, sine minus 45, you will get the value -1, and plus 45, oh sorry, sine minus 90 equal to -1, sine 40 minus 45 is equal to -1 upon root 2. If we take here minus यहाँ से यहाँ तक, if we restrict ourselves 0 to sine 0 is equal to 0, ठीक है? और साइन 30 45 45 का मतलब π/4 या 1/√2, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक की वैल्यू में हमें नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों मिल जाएंगी, और फंक्शन विल बी 1 1 एंड ऑन टू. तो दिस इज नोन एज द प्रिंसिपल ब्रांच फॉर साइन फंक्शन. इफ वी रेस्ट्रिक्ट अवरसेल्फ, क्या ले, अगर हम अपने आप को 0 माइनस π/2 से 2 π/2 तक if we are including, then function will be 1 1 and on to. If we want to another branch, this is known as the principal branch. ठीक है? Again you will get the same value. If we start from here π/2 to again we get the another branch. ठीक है? From here to here. Here so many infinite branches are possible, but we are discussing only principal branch. Principal branch we have decided minus π/2, π/2. If in the question they mention the particular branch, we will give the answer according to that branch. But in your book, in your syllabus, only the principal branch in your, the question are based on the principal branch only. So we are respecting our only principal branch for sin theta. If we take theta's value minus π/2, π/2, then the inverse will be possible. ठीक है? Suppose if we get the value of f π/6 and get 30 degree 1/2, then f inverse 1/2 equal to π/6. π/6 sorry. आएगा समझ? तो रिवर्स करना है आपको. They will give you we have to find the value of f inverse 1/2. ठीक है? So how will you solve? So you have to restrict, you have to take care of this principal branch. You have to give the answer according to this branch only. Similarly, ठीक है? In case of cos theta we have to take the value from 0 to pi. 0 to pi we are taking y. देखिए, in fourth quadrant, if we take minus π/2, π/2, in fourth quadrant cos is positive, so we will not be able to get the negative values. So we have transferred this cos theta from 0 to pi. After π/2, the value of cos will be negative. So we want to get the all values. Okay. So it will be possible if we take cos 0 to pi. Similarly, tan theta. Tan theta is based on sine, if the principal branch will be minus π/2 to π/2. Here we are taking the open interval. Why we are taking? Because π/2 at π/2 tan is undefined, यानी कि tan 90 equal to infinite. That's why we are not including the minus π/2, π/2. So same sine, cos or tan. In case of, you have to remember this branch. After minding this one, so you have to solve remaining questions. ठीक है, तो the branch of cosec inverse will be also same. ठीक है, and sec इनवर्स में जब भी आप फाइंड आउट करोगे साइन इनवर्स है, cosec इनवर्स की ब्रांच क्या हो जाएगी, cosec थीटा का यू हैव टू टेक केयर -π/2 to π/2, but 0 we will not include because, ठीक है, -π/2 0 को we have not to include, 0 you have to left because 1 upon sin 0 will be undefined. ठीक है, और in case of sec inverse -π/2 will be undefined, so -π/2 we will not include. Otherwise, the domain will be same. Now, in the last page of the, before starting the exercise 2.1, just see the page 40. They have given you the sine inverse, the whatever will be the domain of sine function. So in case of sine inverse, the will be interchange. Domain will be range and range will be domain. They have mentioned here domain will be -1 to 1, so range will be -π/2 to π/2. In case of cos inverse -1 to 1, so range will be 0 to π. ठीक है, so if you don't for, this is not difficult to you remember, and it will be learned very easily. Just see question of first question I am just doing, sin inverse 1 upon √2. ठीक है, माइनस सॉरी sin inverse upon 2. We have to find the value of this function. ठीक है, principal branch के according you have to give the answer. If you don't remember the sin inverse branch, then it's okay. You can give, just let sin inverse -1 upon 2 equal to theta. So what will happen? ठीक है, जैसे आप we have defined the if fx is equal to y, then f inverse y equal to x, है ना, इनवर्स फंक्शन यही तो है. तो इसी तरीके से इस sin inverse f inverse y equal to x, then fx, if we take f that side, fx will be equal to y. So we can write -1 upon 2 equal to sin theta. So we know the branch, specific branch of sin theta. Same specific branch of theta we have learned, because we have in our mind, so we can convert by using this one also. Sin theta is equal to -1 upon 2. -1 upon 2 is equal to sin π/6 equal to sin theta. ठीक है, sin 31 upon 2 you know very well. ठीक है, now this minus sign को we can take here minus π/6 equal to sin theta. Now we have included in the principal branch, now -π/2 to π/2. Now you can write, sorry, it is not, ठीक है. Now you can write, we have let the sin inverse 1 upon 2 equal to theta -1 बेटा जस्ट सी है, -1 upon 2 is equal to, हमने लेट किया sin inverse equal to -1 upon 2 is equal to theta. -1 upon 2 equal to sin theta. ठीक है, sin theta is equal to -1 upon 2 है, so we want to find the value of this one. ठीक है, so we have converted 1 upon 2 into sin π/6 Now we have converted sine minus sine into this angle, sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Now both sides we have the sine, so we can cancel, we can get theta equal to minus pi y upon 6, यानी कि theta was sin, theta means sine inverse minus 1 upon 2 equal to minus pi by 6. This will be the answer. Okay, if you have learned the domain and range of the inverse function also, you can write directly also. If you have any confusion, then you first use the trigonometric function, because you have memorized the values of all trigonometric functions. After getting the value, then we can get the value of theta. We have first let this one equal to theta value. In this way you can do, either you can directly write the value. Okay, because we know that this is the value of sine inverse minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is equal to pi by 6. It will be equal to minus pi by 6. But it's okay. So directly also you can write. But if you have any doubt, it will be better you do in this way. Taking next part, we are taking just see the fifth part. Cos inverse minus 1 upon 2. Okay, we have to find the value of this one, minus 1 upon 2. The same way you do this one, like cos inverse minus 1 upon 2 equal to theta. We are assuming this one. Okay, we have remembered the domain of trigonometric function. So we are converting into theta function. Cos theta equal to minus 1 upon 2. You know that minus 1 upon 2, this is the value of cos 30, pi by 6. But it is a minus, so we have to write cos pi minus pi by 6. Okay, we can write pi plus pi by 6 also, but we have restricted our domain from 0 to pi. So value should not be greater than pi. That's why I have taken this example, question number 5. So we got cos 5 pi by 6. Okay, now you get the value theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is the value of cos inverse minus 1 upon 2. यानी कि cos inverse minus 1 upon 2 equal to 5 pi by 6. जो domain we have decided is specific domain carrying, you have to give your answer. Okay, minus sign था, ठीक है. In case of sign, we have taken in the sign coordinate, in fourth quadrant. Okay, because we have taken the domain of sign minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and in case of cos inverse, we have decided the domain 0 to pi. Okay, so 1 to 5th question you can do easily, and 6 also, same way manner. And question number 7 is also same. All the questions are same, 1 to 10. Okay, okay, just I am doing some more questions. Question number just see, पहले इसको रब करते हैं.
सर पाई बाय
क्या बेटा? हेलो
सर पाई बाय 3 आएगी वैल्यू.
अच्छा, पाई बाय 3 आएगी. ठीक है, पाई बाय 3 कर लेंगे. तो π/3 आएगी तो पाई माइनस के π/3 करेंगे, है ना। ये वैल्यू अगर π/3 है ना, वी विल राइट बिकॉज cos थीटा इक्वल टू cos π/3। देख लो बेटा एक बार और देखो, माइनस cos π/3 है ये ना, तो वी विल राइट cos पाई माइनस π/3, then it will be equal to 2π/3, theta equal to 2π/3। ठीक है, मैंने गलती से बाय मिस्टेक π/6 लिख दिया था, ठीक है। तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा, थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2π/3, द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस इनवर्स विल बी 2π/3। देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में है tan इनवर्स -1 इक्वल टू थीटा। इसकी वैल्यू को हमने लेट कर लिया है इक्वल टू थीटा, तो -1 इक्वल टू tan थीटा, तो tan थीटा इक्वल टू minus tan pi/4. So it is a tan function. So we have restricted the domain of tan function minus pi/2 to pi/2. In fourth quadrant, it is negative. So you can write tan minus pi/4. So tan theta is equal to tan minus pi/4. So theta equal to tan in oh, tan theta is equal to minus pi/4. माइनस π/4, यानी कि वैल्यू ऑफ tan इनवर्स -1 इज इक्वल टू, it will be equal to minus π/4. So in this way you have to do. These are the very simple questions, but you have to remember, you have to take care of the principal branch only. ठीक है, up to 1 to 10 you can do in this way. After that we are taking question number 11. ठीक है, 11, 12, 13, 14. बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर देखो 11 है, tan इनवर्स 1 प्लस cos इनवर्स -1/2 प्लस sin इनवर्स 1/2। बस इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है, सिर्फ दे हैव गिवन यू डिफरेंट टर्म्स इन वन क्वेश्चन। You can do directly also, it depends on you. Tan inverse 1 is equal to pi/4. If you have remembered domain and range, ठीक है। Cos inverse -1/2, we have just find the value. This the value was 2π/3, ठीक है। Tan inverse 1/2, it is equal to pi/6. After writing the values, मैंने कहा था directly you can write if you have remembered domain and range. Otherwise, if you have any confusion, first you let theta separately, then you put the find the value, ठीक है, then solve. Now you just take the LCM. LCM will be 6, 4 3 is 12, 3 pi, 2 3 is 6, 6 pi, or pi. It is equal to 6 or 3 9, tan pi/6, यानी कि 5π/3। ठीक है, फर्स्ट पहले हमने क्या किया, tan इनवर्स 1 की वैल्यू पुट की, है ना, pi/4। cos इनवर्स -1/2, cos इनवर्स 1/2 इज इक्वल टू, किसके इक्वल होता है 1/2, मतलब 1/2 जो वैल्यू होती है वो किसकी होती है, 60 डिग्री की, है ना। दिस विल बी इक्वल टू pi/3। इट इज इन माइनस वी विल टेक इन द सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट पाई माइनस के pi/3। which will be equal to 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse 1 upon 2 is the value of sin 30 degree, so we can write pi upon 6. After that we have taken the LCM. ठीक है, LCM will be 12. सॉरी यार, क्या लिख दिया मैंने, 4 12 4 3 12 3 pi 3 4 12 4 3 8 pi और 2 pi. So 2 और 4 8 10 10 और 3 13 pi upon 12. Just see the answer. ठीक है
सर माइनस पाई बाय 6 आएगा.
माइनस 5 pi 6
माइनस पाई बाय 6 वहाँ
कहाँ?
सर ऊपर पाई अपॉन 4 प्लस 2 पाई अपॉन 3 माइनस पाई अपॉन 6 माइनस में है वैल्यू साइन इनवर्स माइनस 1 अपॉन 2.
माइनस में, इसे तो प्लस में लिखी हुई है इस बुक में तो. चलो कोई बात
माइनस में
नहीं,
है इसमें.
चलो कोई बात नहीं, इसको माइनस कर देते हैं, कोई बात. माइनस पाई बाई 6 हो गया, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका माइनस 2 पाई. 8 और 3 11, तो 9 पाई अपॉन 12 हो जाएगा. 9 पाई बाई 12. 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12. जस्ट चेक द आंसर, 3 पाई बाई 4. ठीक है, अब
यस सर.
चलो ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. cos inverse 1 upon 2 plus 2 sin inverse 1 upon 2 है ना. ये इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन है बेटा, ये ध्यान रखना है आपको. ये इनवर्स आपके उस इनवर्स की तरह नहीं है जैसे हम 5 इनवर्स करते थे. 5 इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 5. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं करना है आपको. ये इनवर्स फंक्शन का है, तो यू हैव टू यूज टू cos इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2. कभी आप इसको 1 अपॉन 2 का 2 कर दो, 2 टू जो 4, ऐसा नहीं करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ sin इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2. cos इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3, और sin इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 तो 2 इंटू पाई बाई 6. ठीक है, नाउ यू जस्ट टेक द एलसीएम. 6 3 2 जा 6 2 पाई और 2 पाई विच इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई बाई 6, यानी कि 2 पाई बाई 3. दिस विल बी द आंसर, है ना. जस्ट चेक द आंसर. ठीक है, इफ यू फाइंड एनी मिस्टेक जस्ट टेल मी. नाउ आई एम डूइंग द second last question, 13 and 14. 2 questions are left. This exercise will be complete. देखो बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में दे हैव गिवन यू साइन इनवर्स एक्स. इसे तो ऐसे ओरली हो जाएगा, इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. इफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई, देन वाई, द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई क्या होगा? जस्ट सी देयर, साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई. ठीक है, तो डोमेन जो होगी एक्स की, वो क्या होगी? एक्स की जो वैल्यू हम पुट कर सकते हैं वो -1 to 1 होगी. ठीक है, बट दे आर आस्किंग यू, देन हमें y की वैल्यू चाहिए. y की वैल्यू क्या होगी? तो y की वैल्यू आप निकालना चाहते हो साइन y. आप कन्वर्ट कर लो इसको, यानी कि साइन y की जो वैल्यू होनी चाहिए वो -π/2 to π/2 होनी चाहिए. यही तो हमने डिसाइड किया था कि इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के लिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन शुड बी -π/2 to π/2. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं समझ बेटा, ये जो है हमारे पास साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू वाई. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई, नॉट द एक्स, बिकॉज दे हैव आस्क्ड यू they have given the option in terms of y. ठीक है, so the B will be the correct answer. In question number 14, tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. ठीक है, we have to find this one. So just you have remember the value of tan inverse root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree, and tan 60 degree ko we can write directly pi by 3. What about the sec inverse 2? ठीक है, we know that this is the value of finding that if there is some confusion, maybe you get confusion, you can do separately. ठीक है, let here we can do let sec inverse minus 2 is equal to theta, then minus 2 is equal to sec theta. ठीक है, in terms of sec theta, if you want to convert in cos, if you have any confusion, you can write in cos also. Minus 1 upon 2 is equal to cos theta. This is the value of 60 degree. So it is equal to minus pi by 3. Cos theta equal to. ठीक है, but it is a minus sign. So minus sign को we can write pi minus pi by 3. है ना? Then it will be equal to 2 pi by 3. The value of theta will be 2 pi by 3. First of all, just take this one, cos pi by 3 not, it is equal to pi by 3, just write minus cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree. ठीक है, after that you this consuming this minus sign, you can write pi minus pi by 3, same manner as we have done earlier also, equal to cos theta. So theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. है ना? So here you have to write 2 pi by 3. Now you will get the answer minus pi by 3. ठीक है, which is correct? Which one is correct option? B part, है ना? B part minus pi by 3 is the correct answer. So this exercise I have completed. ठीक है, so tomorrow we'll take the next exercise, but there are some formulas. First we will prove those formulas, then we will do. ठीक है, if you have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me. Anil sir, hello.
Hello.
हाँ सर, now we can ask